Anton Amascus served as the chapter master of the Absolvers during the 34th millennium. Second of his bloodline to assume the mantle of chapter master, Anton's legacy began following the harrowing days of the Gilead Crusade and his primogenitor's death, Tigranes Dalir, the Emperor's Archangel. Instrumental in creating the cultural trappings of his creed, along with methods to control the onset symptoms of the Red First, this inheritor of the curse of Sanguinius found solace in mental discipline to curtail his inner bloodlust. Leading by example, using regular blood transfusions taken from the tithes of the hive cities of Gilead Primus, through vows to the Emperor, Anton's chapter would achieve absolution long after his own demise. Slain by an Orc war boss a mere century following his appointment as chapter master, though his tenure would be short, Anton's deeds ensured the survival of the Absolvers for millennia to come. Honored with the title the Reforger by the defenders of the Gilead system, each scion of the chapter to follow in Amascus's wake pledges to defend the Imperial subsector unto death, grateful of their forefathers' efforts in stemming the tide of the Endless First.